Hi, I'm Genoa Dressendorfer, and I'll be talking about our unit for aerospace. So here, one of our teammates, Ben, is designing our satellite prototype. It has to meet certain criteria for how many machines and types of equipment it has on it, and we have to build it in real life. Here, Ben is cutting out the base, and Sablanka is wrapping it, and we are folding it right here. Here's our finished product, and here's us as a group with our finished product.
Hi, this is Benjamin Ettinger, and today we're going over software engineering.
Yep.
In this project, we were assigned to creating a puzzle world, and this is the one though. And then we had to code a solution to it. So on the left side here, you can see the code for the world. So you have your establishing your player, the world generation, for this left side part. Then you also have the world generation for this right side part. Then after you pass through that, you have your gems and portals, your portals will appear in there, and the gems will appear when we read on the code. And then we have our player movement code in order to get the player to travel through the course and collect the necessary items. So if we start this,
it was everywhere.
Build itself.
Yeah, we sprayed pepper spray in the Bible room, and all of us had to go on the other side of the room.
Oh, I remember hearing about that.
Because we couldn't breathe, and everyone was coughing.
Then our player will travel through and collect the items once the world is finished generating.
Mr. Calculator came from the office and said, I can hear you. It was literally the art class.
How did you what?
From
My
the
class
office.
was-
Oh. It's Jay's class.
Oh, yeah,
It was literally
that's
the
what I did.
art. It was literally art, not our class.
So bad. It's so bad.
And Miss Jay was like,
Okay, that's it.
Hi, my name is Sablanka Chapman, and we're going to be going over material science. Okay, so this is us putting in our molds. We used cornstarch, agar-agar, and gelatin. Our favorite was gelatin because it was the most solid and just held better. Agar-agar shrunk too much, and the cornstarch was too mushy. Then we had 3 cups with agar-agar, cornstarch, and gelatin. We put 3 to 5 drops of gelatin in each one, mixed them up, and then put them in the microwave. After that, we put them in our molds and put them in the freezer to sit overnight.
Hi, my name is Mariah Lloyd, and today I'll be talking about biomedical science. This is Ben working on our current wiffle ball project. We were assigned during this project to build a drug encapsulation. So the wiffle ball represents the capsule of the pill, and the Kool-Aid inside of it represents the drug. So our assignment for this was to take paper towels, whatever necessary materials needed that were in the classroom, to build and make the outside, like the capsule of the pill. And we were given a certain release time. Unfortunately, all of our wiffle balls did not release at this certain time that we wanted to, or at all. Our main difficulty was the paper towels. I don't know why, but they didn't leak through at all. It was like a pill that never released. But we believe that it messed up because the amount of paper towels that we put on there. If we tried doing less, we started at like 10 down to 2, and it still didn't release, so we're not entirely sure. But as you can see, we put it in the water to test it, and we were timing it to see if the Kool-Aid, aka the drug, was going to come out at the certain time set point. It did not come out. As you can see, these are most of our attempts in the water, not one sign of color throughout the whole thing. Ben was assigned building the wiffle ball because he's the worker, I'm the recorder, Sablanka is the runner, and Genoa is the documenter. Here's an overview of the finished products that we did. Here's our finished satellite, the drawing of our wiffle ball design, well, one of them, and here's 1 out of 5 or like 6 wiffle balls that we did. This one we used different paper towels on. And here is our biodegradable forks, the cornstarch, agar-agar, and gelatin, all microwaved, and those are the results of them. And here is the cornstarch, agar-agar, and gelatin, all from the freezer. And here is our finished puzzle world. This is one of the harder ones that we did, but there it is.